Hi, my name is Anissa Demeter. I'm your instructor for American Lit 1 this semester, and I wanted to kind of give you an introduction to what this course is like, and answer hopefully any questions that you might have. I am an online instructor. I'm not seated or I'm not on campus, so the best way to reach me is going to be through email. I can also set up a Remind app course, and you guys can join that if you want to, if that would be easiest. I'll go ahead and set that up and I'll send an email out about that. And if you want to join the Remind app, that will just provide another way that you guys can reach me pretty quickly other than email. But all students should be checking their college email daily. Okay, for not just for emails from me, but from other instructors as well. Okay, I'm going to switch the screen and I'm going to show you the American Lit course in the LMS. Okay, so the way this is set up, I have only got the first module downloaded. I will have the other modules up and downloaded here soon so that you guys can work ahead if you want to. But this is American Lit 1. This is from the early beginnings until I think it was like 1865. So if you look in the course here, some things that you need to know. The welcome to class is the first thing that you see. And if you scroll down, there's an announcement section. Any announcements that I have for the course, any reminders of due dates, anything I will put here, and this also goes to your email. But please be sure to check this and check your email both so that you are up to date on any type of announcements that we have for the class. Here is the American Lit syllabus and assignment schedule. So please be sure you read through this and look at all of the policies for the course, look at the grading for the course, look at the assignments for the course and how they're weighted, look for any type of policy regarding plagiarism, regarding attendance, and so forth. I just need you guys to make sure that you understand and ask questions if you need to. So please be sure to look at the syllabus and assignment schedule. And then if you scroll down a little further, it gives you just some basics for getting started in Moodle, for submitting assignments, participating in a discussion board, taking a quiz, how do you see your grades, and so forth. And then here are a few more support links for the college. Okay, so that's what's under the welcome to class. Then if you come over here to contents, you'll click on mandatory course enrollment activity course agreement. So if you click on that, this explains what this mandatory course enrollment activity is. It's what's called a census activity, and students are required to complete this prior to the census date, which is like the 10% mark of the class. So that date is going to be Wednesday, August 23rd. And if you have not completed this assignment by Wednesday, August 23rd by midnight, you will be withdrawn from the class. This is not necessarily a college rule. This is a state rule, and it solidifies your registration in the course once you have completed this assignment. So if you scroll down, I'll show you that assignment. It's right here. It's called the Mandatory Course Enrollment Activity. You'll click there and go through and answer a couple questions. It's super easy. And then you'll have a course agreement questionnaire that you'll need to fill out. So make sure you take care of these two activities before moving on to Module 1. Once you've done that, go to Module 1. And this particular module will be a 2-week module. Most modules will be 2 weeks. So that means you have 2 weeks to complete the assignments, readings, whatever in that course, which is plenty of time. So please make sure you utilize all that time and pace yourselves so that you're not waiting until the last minute to complete an assignment, because the reading is intensive for an American Lit class. The writing and responding is also can be intensive as well. So I want to make sure you pace yourself, do a little at a time, plan some time each day or every other day to work. This will go from August 14th today through the 27th. And this section discusses the early explorers and settlers. So if you scroll down, you'll click on this and it'll give you all of the reading assignments that you'll need to do for this particular module. And down here will be your assignments. You've got course introductions. This just introduces yourself to the class. You'll click on it and it'll tell you what to do. Okay, here it'll give you the instructions here. Okay. Once you complete that, make sure you complete it by the correct due date, which is August 20th. That's this Sunday. Then you've got 2 quizzes, actually, excuse me, an assignment, and then you've got 2 quizzes, all based on the readings. So here, this is a compare contrast assignment. If you click on it, you'll see the instructions. And then here's a quiz on 2 of the different early explorers that are actually being discussed in the readings, Devaka and then Columbus. So that is the assignment and what module 1 looks like. Take your time with this. Follow the instructions for each assignment. Ask questions when you need to. These 2 quizzes here are open-ended questions, so you have to write out your answers to the questions. Now, there will be other quizzes that I will provide within each module that will actually be multiple choice, but for these, it's going to require that you definitely have to read, and you're going to have to go back through the reading and find the answers. So please make sure you take your time. Okay. Once you finish this module, the other module will be open. I'm hoping to have it uploaded here within the next couple days too, so that you can work ahead. And I do not mind if you work ahead, that's completely fine. For some of us, we have to work ahead because of our schedules and our lives are so hectic, and I get it. That's completely fine. But if you have, I'm going to stop sharing here. If you have any questions whatsoever, please do not hesitate to email me or send me a remind message. I will send the remind info out in a few minutes, and you can join that if you'd like. I'm here. I respond quickly through email and through the remind message. Just be patient with grading. I do try to get things done within 7 days of submission, likely before then. But look through the syllabus, look through the assignment schedule, and if you have any questions about anything, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you guys have a good semester.